Hi guys, today I made a blind box, and it's a make it mini blind box where you can get 3 different possibilities. So there's a burger, there's a boba, there's a legendary limited edition KFC. I hope I get the KFC, but we don't know which one we're gonna get. So let's open it now. So first it says pull this line. Okay. Oops, I messed up. Okay, I opened the line now. Now let's open it up. Oh my god, there's a lot of packages. Wait, let me find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have to make the mini thing. Oh wait, why is it open here? Yeah, so I guess we have to make it. Okay, so let's start. So number 1. I wonder what it is. It's mini buns. So I think we're making a burger. Yeah. It's mini buns on the inside. It's all toasted. These are so cute. Are they squishy? They're squishy. Second one. I think I can just open it like this. Is this a mini patty? This is the chicken inside the burger. Okay. Put the stuff we got here. I really want to open up the 4th one. It's really big. 3. What? Why is it green? It's lettuce. Fourth one, just peeling it open, is a classic cheese. I love cheese. Let's keep it here. And last but not least, is this a sauce? Or is this a sauceless food? Oh my god, are those tomatoes? They're so tiny. Oh my god. Oh no, one got stuck at them. One got stuck. R.I.P. tomato. Okay, so we have 4 tomatoes. Let's keep all this junk. Look, all the junk aside, like all the open packages. So I made this, guys, and I think it's just a recreation that we don't have the fries. So let's start. First, you put the bread down, then the patty, 1 lettuce, 2 lettuce, cheese, little dollops of maybe ketchup, I don't know. Wait, tomatoes, yeah. And top it off. Beautiful burger. Look at that tall Big Mac burger. Although we got a rare one, it's okay. We got a good one. Like, look at this, and you can always disassemble it and remake it. But I want to keep it like this forever. So I'm going to get a little bit of some clay. So take this one and fix it on the bottom of my food and stick. We have to press it down really hard. Okay, there. Then you get a little bit for the lettuce because we don't want it peeking through. And press it down. Second one. Press it down. The cheese. It looks like we're adding like little dollops of mayo for fixing this. Press it down. And finally, the tiny tomatoes. Press it down. These ones is a little more visible because I have to put bigger dollops because they're so tiny. Okay, I'll add 3, I guess. I can't find the 4th one. Plus, I don't really like tomatoes. Almost done more. Finally, the bread on top. Now we squish it down so it's nice. There's our burger. Yay! So this is a Make It Mini. I know it looks really shabby on the outside, but inside it's a wonder. So cute though. Ooh, I have an idea. Should we make like a base for it? Out of maybe this? Is that too small? Yeah, that's too small. It's okay. Guys, I made this burger using the same clay I attached all the pieces with. This is air dry clay. There are multiple different colors. And these are 3 out of 10 colors I got. Yeah. No, 12, yeah. I don't have all 12 here. I used up 3 of the 12 colors. But bye! I hope you like this video. If you make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Bye!